Scraping Google Maps and finding leads. Most of the scraping projects that builders or entrepreneurs do are like lead generation projects. Like you scrape leads and you email them, some offer, some product or service of yours. So if you are a builder who is looking to scrape anything on the internet, this video is from that machine. The source code is here, and here you can see. So this is the code. Walk you through PowerAds by GDN and native. Yeah, let's talk about the billions of sites on the internet. So you won't find ads on all of them. So what we did was we basically saw that news sites have a lot of ads. So we told Claude that, okay, give us 1,000 URLs. So basically we made like text files with 1,000 URLs. These are like the seed URLs. So every time we run a crawl, these URLs are crawled first, and then based on what finds on the home pages, it will build a deeper crawl for each of these sites. And this is how the URL discovery is done. This is the launcher. This is like the critical. It's like the orchestrator of the application. So here it basically keeps all the browsers running all the time. So we have like two machines, one Linux and one Windows. So there are some multiple instances, more than 50 instances running on the Linux server, and around 20 to 26 on the Windows machine where I'm actually coding. So this video is from that machine. The source code is here, and here you can see. So this is the code. Now, the job of the launcher is basically to launch the profile, the Chrome profile, make sure that they are up and running, they don't break. If any Chrome profile is breaking, or if it is going out of memory, or if it is performing the way it should perform, launcher basically controls that. It closes or ends the profile's life cycle and restarts another profile. Here you can see the Chrome Reaper.py, which is part of the launcher, Chrome Reaper.py. It basically it has a function reporfence, which basically finds crashed or non-working Chrome processes, which are not live, and then kills them. So it ensures that we always have live working headless Chrome processes which are continuously scraping. So this is the code of the worker, like basically one headless Chrome profile, which essentially picks one URL, scrapes it, basically gets the ads, and then inserts the ads through the API into our dashboard. So our worker is basically one headless Chrome browser which attaches a country-specific key from decoder and scrapes the data. We use the proxy chaining, where each headless Chrome profile gets its own individual IP. So we have 500 IPs from decoder. So basically one IP per profile is basically stuck to each Chrome. News site basically sees that we have 500 different users trying to scrape from 500 different news sites. So it's like a real user trying to see ads. Still, we are trying to scrape Google. So Google has the most difficult anti-bot policy or anti-bot technology. So a lot of sites don't serve us, like you can see. So this is a live crawl with the latest 100 URLs. So you can see a lot of zeros, means these sites didn't serve us there, but they have ads. Like if I open the site here, this zero, we'll click on this site, PL, and so here you can see the ads are loading now after I clicked on. So they have ads, but our scraper was not able to see the ad. It could be because of multiple reasons. This consent window that came up first, or maybe Google was not serving to that IP or that profile at that particular point of time. So it could be for multiple reasons. So which is why we use warming. Basically means that so when a brand new browser tests to fetch ads from a news site, it's sometimes, most of the time, 90% of the time, it will get zero ads. Over time, if you have browsed in few hundred websites and build the cookies, and cookie information basically, then the Chrome profile has some data, and Google will see that, okay, this profile looks like a real user, and then it will start serving it ads. So we have this scraper basically warms all the profiles and uses that. Then the GDS class of scrape main basically clears the consent on the pages so that we can see the ad. And then finally we extract the ads using, so GDN ads are basically loaded in iframe. So you scrape that and load that, you insert that in the database, and the native ads are basically loaded as DOM widgets. We scrape that and also insert. So we keep the advertiser image, its size, and advertiser the URL. These are the things that we store. And then we also click on the ad to go to the final advertiser page. So that is very important to see who is advertising, because that's what the PowerAds spy. That's it. Then we deduplicate and send it to the API. Once we have the ad, we basically check if it is not already existing in the database using the dedup API. And then if it's a new ad, then it's inserted. This is the process you see here. Basically it checks if that already exists. If yes, then skip. If not, just insert it using the GDN ads data API. So this is the basic architecture. I think this I have already explained how it works, and the live dashboard I have shown you. That's it. So This is the detailed explanation, detailed architecture of this application. So if you are part of my community, you can download the source code and customize it and use it however you want. And if you have a scraping project where you are looking to scrape data from a website, it could be like, let's say, Google Maps, scraping Google Maps and finding leads. Most of the scraping projects that builders or entrepreneurs do are like lead generation projects. Like you scrape leads and you email them, some offer, some product or service of yours. So if you're a builder who is looking to scrape anything on the internet, comment on this video or reach out to me, send me a DM. I can help you out. I have written scrapers for almost any website on the internet today. I have also done testing of multiple IPs, multiple proxy providers. So you can see in this dashboard. I'm going to keep building on this. So this week I'm planning to build a YouTube scraper where there will be again a separate video for the YouTube scraper. So I'm not going to draw more details here, but yeah, next video will be on a YouTube scraper where we'll scrape like millions of YouTube URLs to scrape ads information. That will be very interesting. So if entrepreneur who has needs of any kind of YouTube data, drop a comment below, like what kind of data you want me to scrape from YouTube, and I will be building that over this week and obviously posting videos and content about it. So thank you everyone for watching this video today. Please follow me on Instagram, subscribe my channel on YouTube. If you like my content, or if you're building something interesting and you're stuck, do reach out to me. I can help you out. Like my content, do join my community on buildwithsumit.com. For the next couple of months, we will be launching very interesting projects together. I will help you out. I will help you to build them out. I will help you to market them, and hopefully we'll learn something new with this. Thank you.